heck? By now, you should have completed the 4 activities in Class Kick, and you're going to check them right here. So, real quick, just reviewing this stuff. As a reminder, a to the third divided by a to the 7th is the same as a to the 3 minus 7. Oops, I wrote that funky, didn't I? Let's write that again. A to the 3 minus 7, which is a to the negative 4th. And if we're talking standard form, no negative exponents, so that's going to be 1 over a to the 4th. And we're kicking it to the other place, right? Reminder here, anything to the 0 power except for 0 is the number 1. So just by definition, this is 1. Alrighty, on these, 15 divided by 5 is 3. H to the 6 minus 1, k to the 3 minus 2. So 3 times h to the 5th, because 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1, so k to the 1st power. And the last one's on your class kick here. 12 divided by 12 is the number 1, so not to sweat that. We have m to the 1st, or 1 minus 3, I should say, and n to the 1 minus 5. And notice, by the way, this one says without a fraction bar, right? Do it without a fraction bar. So we're going to have m to the negative 2 and n to the negative 4. Now, if I said standard form, instead of using, you'd have to turn around and rewrite that as m to the, or 1 over, I'm sorry, m squared n to the 4th. But since I said do without a fraction bar, we'll stick with this answer for now.